Good morning, this is Teresa. This is what I have done the last day, over the last several hours. Is homemade Greek probiotic yogurt. I make this every now and then for my diet, and right there is what I have gotten. I got 23 servings of this, and I will make a video on how to make this a little bit later. This is to go with the weight loss program that I'm following, sort of a cross between a couple of different programs, diets, and my own. If I thought I had done a video on my other channel, but I couldn't find one, so I will make one and show you how to make it. In the meantime, I will put the recipe and directions in the comments below. That's what Mondays is going to be, is healthy recipes and my recipes for my family. I want to try to do most of them as healthy as I can, but the family is not following this program, so some of it's going to be for them too. So